So afternoon, everyone. I'm Walter Harrison, one of the founders of Tapestri, joined by Danny, Chuck, and Tom, also part of the founding team at Tapestri. We do this call every Friday afternoon and just kind of give you background about what Tapestri is and more about our background as a data company and talk about a product that's launching in a few short weeks. So what is Tapestri? Tapestri is a mobile app that allows the average consumer to make money from the data they're already giving away. We're kind of all inundated with apps and websites and different devices that kind of track our behavior and make money with us. But most of these services aren't making money for us. And that's kind of the problem we look to solve at Tapestri. So my background as doing data analytics for about a decade, specifically working with mobile apps on your phone and on mine. Complementix is the company I've been working with for the last 5 years that makes money from mobile apps. So what we've done is we have a line of code, it's called an SDK, that sits inside of mobile apps, and they would pass us this anonymous behavioral data, and we'd monetize it and then pay the app. So it could be a dating app, travel app, a map, or whether an app or navigation app. We'd say, pass us anonymous data, we'll monetize it and pay you a revenue source that's complementary to your core business. And we've been doing that so long that we clearly started to see really issues in this industry where the consumer, you and I, aren't really being considered in the value chain. But understanding if no one used those apps, you and I, that these companies generally don't have a business at all. So that's why we built Tapestri. So we want to move away from working with app companies and work with you, the individual, by collecting data you're already giving away, paying you for it, and then also giving you an additional income stream by helping us grow our business by sharing the app. But like any other business, you really can't start a company without solving a problem. So let's kind of talk through the problem we look to solve. The problem we see in the industry, and it's been going around for the last 5, 10 years, but it's perpetuating and getting more worse. And the big thing is we all play, whether we like it or not, in a 25 billion plus market of data. That is big companies, primarily search, social companies, monetizing data at our expense. And most of the time, these products are free. And what the Social Dilemma documentary tells us is generally, if you're using a product today and it doesn't cost you anything, then you and me, you and I are likely the product. You also see that government has been asking and kind of knocking on the door of big tech to kind of explain, what do you have on the average consumer? So here in this article, you can see that the FTC is ordering Amazon and Facebook and a lot of other big tech companies to really spell out, what do you collect? How do you collect it? How do you use that data? You even had politicians make a big splash stating, why don't you pay a dividend? Like Alaska pays a dividend. Why couldn't California pay a dividend since they house all these big tech companies? And generally, nothing has happened. If anything, these companies have went from billions of dollars to now worth $1 trillion, $2 trillion. They get more and more valuable. The 10 most wealthiest companies all in human history are all technology companies, and most of them are based in California. Now, that's not ironic. That's just how the system is set up. So what Tapestri looks to do is pay people for the data they're already giving away. So we're not looking to collect your text messages, phone calls, pictures. That's not our business. What we're interested in is collecting location data in the background to understand where the average consumer goes, where you grocery shop, where you choose to buy something or go to the gym or travel. That information is very valuable to us. And when we monetize it, we pay the consumer for that exact data set. So let's kind of walk you through how it works. The consumer downloads Tapestri, and what we do is we create an algorithmic earning score for that user. So every single consumer, whether it be a husband and wife or two partners in a household, they both can be Tapestri users, and they can make two separate amounts of money. And that is totally fair and game. Now, that earning score is based on their Wi-Fi connectivity, their battery strength, also looking at their cell connectivity to see if they're on a cell signal, if they're on Wi-Fi, or if they're on GPS. That goal for that consumer, as you can see here, of $12 is set for them automatically. Their goal is to hit that earnings goal every single month. And every single day, you'll see this green circle move up and up and up towards that goal. After the 30 days or 31 days, that goal is complete, and that consumer or affiliate earns that payout. We're also being very transparent about what we collect and how we collect it. On the right-hand side, you can see the number of events we collect. We're telling you this passively, the points of interest that we actually see this phone visit, and also the lifetime earnings. And if you're an affiliate with us, we're going to allow that rank to show proudly within the app with your anonymous avatar. When Tapestry monetizes data, it's completely anonymous. It's not Walter or Tom or Danny or Chuck or any of our affiliates. It's a random ID that went into Costco, went into McDonald's or Home Depot or Planet Fitness. And that's a valuable data point that we believe the industry is interested in. But if they want to collect that data point, they should get it ethically with you as the consumer opting in. Also, once they understand that you walked into that grocery store or gym, they should pay you for it. And that's what Tapestry looks to do. Our business model is based upon affiliates. So instead of us going to ad networks or large third parties and paying them to acquire users, we're going to pay you. And to talk more about the affiliate program at length, I'll turn over to Danny Walker, one of our affiliate managers. Over to you, Danny.
All right, thank you, Walter. So my name is Danny Walker here with Tapestry, and for the first time, not only will we, the individual, be able to see the data that's being collected, but we'll also be able to earn on that data instead of just giving it away to the big tech companies. We now are paid for the value that we're creating every day. And with Tapestry, we wanted to also share and reward people who share the app with other friends. So if you, as a free customer, install the app and start earning up to $25 a month, if you're here in the States, every single month on the data that you are currently creating, and you decide to share the app with your friends, you can tap into more earnings, more residual earnings every single month. So whether you share with one friend, 10 friends, 100 friends, you can add to your passive residual income. And we have unlimited sharing. You can share with as many friends as you would like and grow your income with Tapestry. We also wanted to add the ability for those who want to become paid affiliates to tap into 2 tiers of earnings. So a free customer with Tapestry can install the app, earn on the data that they currently create. That's what the free app does, is help monetize that data for the individual. They can then share the app with their friends if they choose to earn on tier 1, which would be your personal referrals. Paid affiliates have the opportunity to tap into that second tier of people. So as your friends go share Tapestry, they're getting paid on their data. They're also earning for their referrals, and so are you as an affiliate. And what we've done since the app is not yet launched is we have a founding member promotion, which saves you as an affiliate if you choose to become an active member, as an active affiliate with us. You pay a one-time fee of $9.95, and we waive the next 12 months administration fees because you took advantage of that opportunity to become an affiliate with us before the app launches. How the affiliate program works, as I just explained, is anybody you personally invite to install the app. If they're in the United States, you would earn $1 for that referral every single month. These are residual commissions, recurring commissions. And if they share the app with any of their friends, you would also earn on that second tier as an affiliate. Your friends can also become affiliates as well. And that's where you'll tap into the ability to earn even more with a 50% matching bonus. And that's when you have 10 affiliates that you have personally sponsored, you're now a super affiliate. What the super affiliate gets in addition to earning on their own data, earning the tier 1 and 2 affiliate commissions, they're also earning a check match bonus on every single affiliate that they've personally invited to Tapestry and those that those people have invited. So tier 1 and 2 affiliates, they're going to earn a check match override on those affiliate earnings. So in this example, I just shared, you're a super affiliate, you have a minimum of 10 active affiliates. Let's say those 10 active affiliates in this example earn $100 affiliate commissions in that month. You would earn, in addition to your affiliate commissions, you would earn a 50% bonus on each individual affiliate on your tier 1. So you have 10 who earned 100, that'd be an extra $50 times 10 for another $500 bonus. And on your tier 2, let's say you have 15 affiliates who earn $50 in commissions. That would be a 50% check match on those 15 at 50, which is $25 times 15 is another $375 bonus. In addition to the 50% check match, we also added the ability for anybody who is a super affiliate to get customers. So a Tapestri customer that comes into the network without an affiliate referral link, somebody who just found the app in the App Store, tapped on it and installed it, they are considered an orphan in our network. They don't have a referral link. Those customers will then be assigned a super affiliate. So you'll be, as a qualified super affiliate, you're now getting Tapestri customers who come in without a referral link. In addition to that, this is a very lucrative compensation plan as an affiliate, but we also added the ability for you, if you are one of the first 50 to tap into our global affiliate equity program. You have to be one of the first 50 super affiliates who helps your personally enrolled affiliates, 10 of them become super affiliate. And they need to remain qualified super affiliates for 6 out of 12 months for you to actually earn that 1/50th of 1% equity. But this gives you an opportunity to be an equity owner in Tapestri Inc. itself. We're not making any income claims here. You get out of it what you put into it, just like any other opportunity in life. But we don't have any gotchas in this affiliate program. There's no minimums, no maximums. You can be a free user who installs the app and earns on your data and decides to invite some friends to increase your monthly residual earnings. Or you can also add affiliate earnings by becoming a paid member and earn on those 2 tiers and increase your revenue by creating a team of affiliates if you choose to. We really all have been duped into giving away our data. We've been doing it for so long, I don't think most people understand the value of the data because we just create it without even thinking about it anymore. We walk around with a cell phone, we share, we like, we scroll, we buy, we do all of these things that are tracked within our cellular device. And the big brands behind those apps that are on our phone are the ones who've been earning on that data. They've been monetizing the data for years. So it feels pretty good to be on the other side of the fence and create a product that is for the individual. We know how to monetize data. The majority of individuals out there don't. So we created an app that you can simply install on your phone and turn that data that you're creating already into dollars in your own pocket. And that's Tapestri, and that's what Walter and his team have done.